What's going on, folks? It's your man Jay, and the latest case I got for the Pixel 4 is the Speck case. I bought this the other day, and I really wanted to try. I've used Speck cases before, but not like full time, or when I purchased any of them. I got some in for review, but I bought this one from Verizon. It was 19 bucks. Again, that 50% off joint. So this case is actually, to me, a perfect fit for the Pixel 4. Or just any other devices out there that I can think of. This is actually an ultimate case setup for you. This case has lip protection. It's very sturdy, man. It's a really nice, strong case. But more importantly, it's got something that I wanted, which was grip. Yeah, grip like crazy. This thing has grip, and if you drop this, I mean, you can't hold on to a device for nothing. So the inside has this padding in here, this soft touch padding, a little grippiness. You can see you got some Speck branding. You got all these little ripples around the edges there for shock absorption right there. Really nice. Cut out for the microphone up top, all the ports on the bottom. You got your power and your volume over here, nothing over here, and that mic up top and the camera. Then a little Speck symbol right there. And then that's it, man. So popping this on is actually pretty simple. It's a nice tight fit, which is what I was looking for. It's got lay on the table design. You got some lip around there, lip protection. So you lay this down, it's a wrap. It's going to do very well. And you've got lots of grip on the sides, which is what you need for your phone. This case right here, to me, is a lot better fit than the Google Fiber case. The fabric case is nice. And again, I could have grabbed any case, but I wanted to grab the fabric case first, and then I went back and also I got this case because the fabric case attracts a lot of lint. If anything, it doesn't, like I put it in my pocket in the lint. It's got good grip. It's got a nice texture on it too. But I wanted something that was not going to pull lint in my pocket if I had to do something like that. And it's got a more sturdier feel. And this case right here definitely has it, man. Yeah, I mean, this is just a good look right here. Speck cases aren't new or anything like that. But this one right here for the Pixel 4 and the Pixel 4 XL, I highly recommend it. And if you want to grab this for 19 bucks, just hit your local Verizon, wherever yours is at, and you will find it for 19 bucks. If you can't find it online at your local store, just go to Verizon.com and go into this case section. You'll see this is 50% off. Then you can have it picked up at the local store, which is what I did. If you don't want to wait on shipping, they have free 2-day shipping, but I just, had to deliver I just had to pick up at store. And that's it, man. So this is a really good look. Really liking this case right here. Been rocking this one for the last 24 hours or so. So hope you guys enjoyed, man. Quick update on the Pixel. Battery life is getting a little bit better too. So I'll give you more videos on the battery later. And I'll also give you a review of like the cameras and stuff. Because I actually took a photo, 2 photos, one on here and one on my Pixel 4 XL. And the one on this one was better. For some reason, it just came out better. Had a little bit more detail. I don't know what it was about, man. But nonetheless, I will update you on the cameras and stuff like that. I'm also going to push out a few videos with this phone too, just because I like to use my phones on the channel for content. That's why I buy a lot of that's why I like a nice camera. But the Speck case is official from your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, if you want to grab this, it's $19 right now. It's half off. So I highly recommend, if you've been waiting on a sturdy case for your Pixel 4 XL or your Pixel 4, grab this one, man. I think it's totally worth it, man. Side note, I walked into one of the stores and the guy was using the Pixel 4 XL with this same black case. I thought it was pretty incredible, man. It's your man Jay. See you in the next one. Take care. Pixel 4 coverage in 4 minutes.